Hi beautiful ladies, how are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so you all are fine, good and enjoying the good conditions of your health, doing very well. So dear ladies, dear girls, today I am back again with another very stylish, very amazing collection of floral midi dresses for you. Today I have collected in this video. So it's more than 100 plus design ideas of floral dresses, floral midi dresses. You will see in this video, you will find out different colors, different styles, different designs, different fabric, amazing colors combinations and amazing stitching ideas of midi dresses for your casual wear, for your formal wears, for your party wears, for your daily work wears. Very beautiful collection, very beautiful designs, very beautiful ideas of floral midi dresses. Most demanding and trending ideas. So if you love to wear midi dresses, if you love to wear floral midi dresses and carry out these style dresses, I hope so you will enjoy this video and you will love these styles of midi dresses. You will find out ruffle work styles, you will find out layer styles, hem style midi dresses, umbrella style midi dresses, A-line style midi dresses, amazing neck designs, amazing sleeve design ideas, half sleeve designs, full sleeve designs, sleeveless designs, belted style dresses, hem dresses, umbrella dresses, plated dresses, skater style midi dresses. I love all these designs of midi dresses and I hope so that you will love these too. So must watch video till the end. Very beautiful designs are coming up next in this video. I love all these designs of floral midi dresses and I hope so dear ladies and girls you will love these too. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of floral midi dresses, so please dear ladies and girls do share my video with your friends, with your relatives, so that new people get new ideas and new designs of midi dresses. And please do like my video. If you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was these designs of floral midi dresses for different Korean wears, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you. Tell me in the comment section dear ladies and girls. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinions, so must share your opinions in the comment section about my videos, about my contents, about my channel. So must share your opinions. I really consider your opinions, so must share please opinions in the comment section. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel, so for more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, please do visit on my channel and check the other collection of dresses for ladies and girls. So you will be find out maxi style dresses, skater dresses, midi dresses, casual wear, formal wear dress design ideas for ladies and girls, bodycon style dresses, gown style dresses, umbrella dresses, mother of the bride dresses, top designs, blouse designs, shirt designs, shoes collections, bags collections. So a lot of new ideas related to women fashions, related to girls fashions you will be find out on my channel on daily basis. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection of dresses. I hope so those videos will also be useful for you, very helpful for you, and you will get new ideas and new designs of midi dresses and other related fashion ideas on my channel. I'm very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support and thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So please, dear ladies and girls, do share my video and do visit on my channel. Thank you so much for your kind support and thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel on my previous videos. So as you can see, different and stylish midi dresses for ladies and girls. I try my best to make my videos according to your opinions. I hope so you will enjoy this video and you will love these designs of midi dresses. So please do share my video, do like my video. Even if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear ladies and girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye.